will learn more laws today. We have done 4 laws in earlier videos. So starting with the 5th one, we can write a to the power m, and another power is there n. So when you see these two powers, they are multiplied and you reach to your answer. So you get m multiplied with n, and sometimes you will see you can write it as mn. This means multiplication. So let's take very simple example. If I take 3 to the power of 2 and 3, then there is a power 3 to it. So how do we get our answer? We multiply these two powers. So when you see two powers, you multiply this, so you get 2 into 3, which gives me my answer 3 to the power 6. And one more thing, if there is an odd power, you will get your answer as minus 1. Let's take example. Now 3 is my odd number. It is not a multiple of 2, so it's my odd number. So what do you mean by this? Minus 1 multiplied with minus 1 multiplied with minus 1. We have done integer laws. Minus multiplied with minus gives me plus. 1 into 1 gives me 1. So I have this third bracket now. Plus multiplied with minus gives me minus. So when integers are of different sign, you always get negative product. When they are of same sign, you always get positive product. And 1 into 1 remains 1. So you can see when the power is odd, you are getting your answer as minus 1. Let's see for even power now. Minus 1 if there is even power. My answer will be always 1. So if I take minus 1 to the power 6, even number. So minus 1 multiplied with minus 1, how many times you will write? You will write 6 times. So you can see minus into minus gives me plus 1. Let's take these two. Minus into minus again gives me plus 1. Minus into minus gives me plus 1. So when the symbols are same, you always get positive product. So my 1 always multiplied with 1 gives you 1. So whatever the number here is, your answer is 1. If it is even number, whatever power, it can be 111, it can be 113, this can be 1024, this can be 1026. So if you have even power to minus 1, you will get positive 1. If you have odd power on minus 1 as base, you will always get minus 1 as your answer. So let's revise all these laws, what we have learned with an example. First thing is, whenever a question is given and they are mentioning use laws of exponents, don't do cutting. You use laws of exponents only. If they say use laws of exponents and simplify. I am taking a very simple example. 16 into 18 b to the power 4 and 2 into b to the power of 5. First step is you bring them to prime factors. We have discussed earlier how to find the prime factors. So you can see, if you can, let me show you only once for division. You prime the prime factors. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. So what is prime factorization of 16? It is 2 to the power of 4. Similarly, you can check for 18. Either you do this way, or you can do it here also directly. 2 I can take out. 2 into 9 is 18. And here it is b to the power 4. Here already a prime number. So b to the power 5. I'll continue here now. So either you can do it mentally, or you can prime factorize and find the prime factors. Now I'm finishing here. See, 3 again I can find the prime factor, and so I can write here 2 to the power 4 into 2. What is 3? 3 square. 3 into 3 is 3 square, and this is b to the power 4 and 2b to the power 5. Now you can see all my numbers, they have prime bases. Now we will use our laws of exponents. When the base is same, power is added. When no power is mentioned, power is 1. So this first step becomes 4 plus 1, and this is your 3 square, b to the power 4, 2 into b to the power 5. You can mention the law. Which law I have used? A to the power m into a to the power m is a m plus n. I have added the power when the base was same. So now we will use the division law. This becomes 2 to the power 5. What is my division law? When the base is same, powers are subtracted. Again, there is no power written here, so power is 1. So when you subtract, this is 4 plus 1, and this goes up, m minus n. And here I have 3 square, and this is b to the power 4 minus 5. So when division is there, powers are subtracted. When bases are same and multiplication sign is there, powers are added. So my answer becomes 2 to the power 4, 3 square. Now you have done integers laws. 1 is positive, 1 is negative. So we will do subtraction. So 5 minus 4 gives me 1, but without considering the sign, bigger number is 5, and it has negative sign, so this becomes minus 1. So you can write your answer as 2 to the power 4, 3 square, and this goes down. So this is my answer in exponential form. If you want simplified, you can multiply them and you will reach your simplified answer. And let's discuss one more law. Here you have seen the powers are same and division is there. So adding one more law now. So this also you can remember. That a to the power minus m, earlier we have done 8th one. So we can write a to the power m. So you can add this law also, that when a minus sign is there, it becomes positive when you take it to the denominator. So when a goes to the denominator, it becomes a to the power m.